Hello, hello. Today is my good friend's fashion show, and next week is Thanksgiving. So I'll be with my mom's side of the family in North Carolina, and I'm very excited because I've only seen them once since the pandemic and everything, and we normally spend every single holiday together. So this has been a long time coming. It's about a 6-hour drive from here to there. I think it'll be a very fun upcoming week. And then it's December, and then it's Christmas pretty much. So I got these new pants. Another exciting thing, I came up with a really good recipe for vegan cookies. They're coffee cake cookies, and they're insane. They're really good. So I think I'm gonna bring them to my mom and her side of the family and see if I can convert them. But trust me, it's one sexy cookie. She whispered in my ear something crazy.
Beautiful perfection. Thank you.
What am I taping? Is that the Miss Allie? Come here.
Ew. Wait, let me see if I can like.
He's such a big one.
Santa!
I feel like I'm watching a bad video.
Literally, what is he doing?
Well, I'm set to get in at 9:30, which is a lot later than expected, but it's a 7.5-hour drive with traffic included. So the earlier I leave, the better. We'll get there today. We will. North Carolina. Here we come. Passing through Atlanta right now. Traffic is terrible, so my arrival time is now an hour later. But if you guys listen to true crime podcasts, morbid has become my new obsession. And now my head is just full of random information about past serial killers, which is, I mean, it doesn't sound great, but for some reason it's just very, very not entertaining in the happy-go-lucky sense, but in the, oh my gosh, I can't believe people have gone through this, and that some people are like this. It's just jaw-dropping, and it's taking my mind off of the hundreds and hundreds of cars on this highway.
Posted, quote, "Words cannot describe the feeling of him jumping into my arms and not wanting to let go."
And morning coming glorious through. I don't know why I'm muted like a tiger striped sky.
It's 7, so I have 3 more hours to go. We're not stopping anywhere exciting, but I do have to fill up my tank again.
Morning, guys.
It's the moment you've all been waiting for, my coffee cake cookie recipe. We're leaving in 2 hours, so I figured I should bring some sort of all-inclusive vegan good to Thanksgiving. This is a perfect one, and I'm gonna give you this recipe for free as long as you make them as well and send me pictures. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna make is the dough. You need a little over a cup of flour, 1 plant butter, softened butter, about a cup of sugar, a flax egg or a chia egg, some sort of egg replacement. You just make this with some hot water and flax seeds and mix them together. You need a little bit of salt, some cinnamon, some allspice, and some nutmeg. And if the dough looks a little dry, you can add some plant milk, but I think with maple syrup and brown sugar, you should be okay. Back in the fridge. Just take a scoop, coat it, all right, oven time. These go in for about 15 to 20 minutes, 350 degrees. It's actually not preheated yet. That's just for a dramatic effect. All right, the taste test to make sure they're not poisonous.
Oh my god, those are good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Too sweet.
I like the crunchy.
Come on, it's your last night.
You know what? I would actually really love to.
Don't you be taking pictures of Nana in her golf thing.
This is the perfect time to take pictures because of the golf thing.
These knives are pretty good too.
Alright.
I've never done anything in that high. Let's see how.
I think that should work.
I think I want something that sticks
Yeah.
out.
That looks good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Don't you hate being perfect all the time? Good.
Yep.
Turn your camera on there.
It smells like soap.
Yeah, you want to.
At our table.
Is that the way you measure it?
Yeah.
I don't usually measure. Do I have to measure for this? It'll taste really vanilla-y.
It's Thanksgiving Day. We eat pretty early here, so our feast is at 2. It's about 1 o'clock, so I'm just getting ready. My camera died, so enjoy the iPhone quality. The cookies were extremely popular, if you were wondering. The plate is empty. They were all eaten last night. And if you're wondering about Thanksgiving for a vegetarian, wonder no longer. It's not that exciting. Lots of vegetables. There are a lot of plant-based turkeys out in the world now. You can get like a stuffed soy protein thing. You can eat vegetables. I made a stuffed butternut squash. What else? I guess you could do like a mushroom beef approach. Hello?
I'm coming in.
Okay.
We have to go to the store. You want to come?
For what?
Everything for the Bloody Marys. They didn't have anything.
What else do you need?
Everything. Now I need to know where you might have put my wallet.
I didn't touch your wallet.
Are the keys in the car then?
Maybe. We're also out of Bloody Mary mix, so bright pink.
I just have to watch them. Best job ever.
Who does these straight lines? Me.
That's nice and brown.
This is a little too dark for me.
It's crispy.
Hold on, let me get them all.
It's crispy.
Oh my gosh, Heather, you ruined it.
It's crispy.
Called.
How did you know that? How did you know that?
Because I just put my second one there.
Heck yes.
Ding. Ding.
Who moved my bell?
I did, because that was I knew you did that on purpose.
I mean, not easy, but I don't think it's. 5 letters, ends in an O. 1836 battle site.
Alamo.
Ah, good for you.
Okay, Hunter. Any advice for Hallie?
Nope.
Harry,
Stop that.
do you have advice for Hallie?
Never ask my siblings for advice.
Advice for Hallie?
No, she gives me advice. My advice is don't listen to anybody.
There you go.
I love it.
Always get styled by your Nana.
Hey, Mom, have any advice for Hallie?
Do not spill anything on my, in general.
Yeah. In general.
You're not lying.
You're missing the best feature.
Okay.
Which feature?
Oh, wait.
Which feature is that?
Clearly
Me.
not the boobs.
Oh, everything's too cliche. You know, it's like, I just said everything's too you perfect. Do you. And, follow your dreams.
I don't believe it was.
She said everything's too cliche, so just have low expectations and you'll never be disappointed.
Party
Life
hard.
coach. Did you say party hard?
Avoid any fraternities that are called I Felt a Thought.
Harrison. Oh. Yeah, Harry, now I'm getting in front of the video.
What video?